I'm Divya from the Tutors. In today's video we are going to learn about sound. Let's just have a look at the subtopics for today. Today we are going to learn about how sound is produced by a vibrating body, how sound is produced by a human, sound requires a medium to travel, and human hear through ears. So let's just move forward with some pre-assessment questions. You can please pause the video and try these questions, and once when you are done with them you can resume it to check your answer. Well, pat your back for your great efforts. Now let us have a look at what do we mean by sound. Sound is the vibration that travels through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. Sound is very important for our life. Sound that helps us to communicate with each other. Sound produced due to vibrating object, and sound travels through all the mediums. Sound is produced because of vibration of an object. In other words, a vibrating object produces sound. For example, if you beat a drum, it starts vibrating and produces sound. A flute produces sound because of vibration in its air column. A guitar produces sound because of vibration of its string. That's how we can say that sound is produced when something vibrates. The vibrating body causes the medium, whether it is water, air, etc., around it to vibrate. Vibration in air are called traveling longitudinal waves, which we can hear. So let's just have a look at what do we understand about when sound is produced by a vibrating body. Sound is produced by to and fro motion of any object. Whenever we allow an object to move to and fro, it is known as vibration, and this vibration produces sound. For an example, we can talk about a tuning fork. A tuning fork serves as a useful illustration of how a vibrating object can produce sound. The fork consists of a handle and two lines. When the tuning fork is hit with a rubber hammer, the tins begins to vibrate. The back and forth vibration of the tins produces disturbances of surrounding air molecules. This is how the tuning fork can produce sound. So talking about it further, how sound is produced by a human. Human beings are able to produce sound because of the vibration of voice box. For instance, we can say that the mechanism for generating the human voice can be subdivided into three parts: the lungs, the vocal cords with the larynx, and the articulators. The lung is the pump that must produce adequate airflow and air pressure to vibrate the vocal folds. The voice box is called larynx, and it is situated at the upper end of the windpipe. There are two stretch membranes attached in the larynx with a narrow slit between them. When air passes through those stretch membranes, they produce different types of sound with different combinations of stretching. Voice of men, women, children are different because the vocal cord of men is longer than the women, followed by children. So talking about sound needs a medium for propagation. The traveling of sound is called propagation of it. In the absence of a medium, sound cannot propagate. The place where there is no air or air is removed is called vacuum. Sound does not propagate through vacuum. Sound travels through solid, liquid, and gas. We usually hear sound which comes to us through air. Aquatic animals communicate as sound travels through water also. Now, how can we hear? Humans hear through the air. The external air works like a funnel. Due to its unique shape, sound waves are concentrated once they enter through the external air. Then the sound waves reach the eardrum. The eardrum is like a stretched membrane which vibrates when sound wave strikes it. From the eardrum, sound waves reach inner ear through the middle ear. From inner ear, sound waves are sent to the brain via auditory nerve. The brain interprets these signals and we can hear the sound. Hearing range is the range of frequencies that can be heard by humans. The human range is commonly given as 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It varies for every individual, and a gradual loss of sensitivity to higher frequencies with age is considered as normal. So now let us have a look at the practice time questions. You can please pause the video and try these questions, and once when you are done with them, you can resume it to check your answer. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and for more you can please log in to justtutors.com.